Hi everyone, welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today, I'll walk you through how to write an affiliation letter. This formal letter is used to establish a partnership between two organizations. You will begin your affiliation letter by including your name, position, organization's name, and complete contact details, ensuring the recipient knows who is making the request. Next, add the date to indicate when the letter was written. Address the letter to the recipient by mentioning their name, position, organization's name, and contact details. This personalization ensures clarity and professionalism. Finally, include a subject line, such as affiliation request letter, to specify the purpose of your communication. After that, write, "I am pleased to formally express our organization's interest in establishing an affiliation with recipient's organization's name. We believe that this collaboration will be mutually beneficial, fostering opportunities for growth, knowledge sharing, and resource exchange. Our institution aligns with your mission and values, and we are confident that this partnership will contribute to our shared objectives. We look forward to discussing the affiliation details further and outlining the terms of cooperation. Kindly let us know a convenient time for a meeting to explore this opportunity in depth. Please feel free to contact me at your earliest convenience. Sincerely, your name, your position, your organization's name." Here's the affiliation letter we've created as a sample. You'll notice how it clearly states the purpose of the affiliation, outlines key details of the partnership, and highlights mutual benefits for both organizations. By following this format step by step, you can create a clear and professional affiliation letter that establishes a strong foundation for collaboration. This letter formalizes the relationship and ensures both parties are aligned on their objectives. And with that, I end this video. If you found it helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more tips on preparing official letters.